Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. So today I am going to discuss about the topic CRL Clear Com. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring out more informative videos. Now, talking about this website, this is a CRL Clear Com is basically known as Clinical Reference Laboratory. Yeah, so this website has been specifically designed to fight against the coronavirus. Now, we all know that we are living in an era of global pandemic. COVID-19 has been spreading in all parts of the countries all over the world. Every country has been affected by this coronavirus and proper measures needed to be taken to avoid the circumstances that can be caused by the coronavirus. Now, it is impossible to get everyone checked physically because social distancing has been a popular practice during the coronavirus period because it helps in preventing coronavirus to a certain extent. So, these kind of websites which test your coronavirus report online has been very popular and started by the countries like United States. Now, this website is also the part of United States only. So CRL Clearcom recently got a license to get the people checked about coronavirus and pass on their reports regarding that. So there is a website. When you open the website, this kind of homepage appears, which has three options in the uppermost right corner, which is named as home. The home page is what you are seeing right now, and then comes about COVID-19 testing. When you click on this, there are frequent asked questions that have been available, like how to know my results, how soon will I get the results, how the shipment is parceled about the COVID-19 test, how to request for another new kit, and everything related to the website features that it has provided. Now, going through the result, when you click the result, you have to enter your personal phone number, date of birth, and then you have to accept. After accepting the terms, you have to submit it, and the COVID-19 test that you have been applied for will be parceled to your house, and then you will get to know about the result. Now, if you want to get your results checked, there's a homepage showing how to do. You have to scan the barcode in the collection kit that you have been provided. The collection kit will be provided to you at your house. There will be a barcode mentioned on that. You have to scan the barcode and then give permissions to CRL to run your test. You have to then tell something about yourself, the details that will be asked by this website, and know how you actually are feeling physically around you. When we click on Let's Go, we get to know here we have to enter the barcode number. If we are not able to scan, we are also provided option to scan with the camera. Now the steps include scanning the barcode, authorize CRL to test, telling about yourself, telling about how do you actually are feeling, collect the specimen. The website will follow the procedures to collect the specimen of the samples and then ship and activate your COVID result test. This is how it is done. So this website was talking about its registration. This website was registered on 27th of April 2020, which is not very long, but yes, then it was specifically designed for COVID-19, so it makes sense. Now talking about the legitimacy of this website, the legitimacy seems to be positive. The website seems to be a legit website because it is authorized by the authorities, higher authorities, which are very well experienced about the situation that has been created. So yes, you can trust on this website. And yes, that's all we have about this. We would like to know your point of view regarding this, we would say, SRL Clearcom. of United States. So let us know what do you think about CRL Clearcom. Now let us move further. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.